Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's update video for Bitcoin here, we are trading at $21,698. 24-hour volume, we're down 0.74%. Market cap, we are up 1.03%. So heading over to the chart here, set on our daily chart, and then we're going to go into 4 hours and then 3 hours as well. We can see price escalated as high as $21,898. If we can quickly take a look on the left-hand side, if we're taking a look at some resistance levels, we have some higher peaks here on June 26th, a peak here on July 9th, and then July 7th here. So essentially the price itself can escalate and continue to come up, but being capped up roughly around the 21,948, we can already see here that we are just a smidge away from that price point. We can see to our RSI, there is still some room for the price to continue to go up. We can see that our K line for our RSI is at 84%, and then our D line is at 65%. Of course, again, we are considered to be overbought because we are past this blue line of the 80%. However, the crossover did not occur, so price is not going to retrace down on a daily average until we can be able to see that crossover of the lines. And of course, we can see our MACD here is lightening up in color. That's why we were able to break through this resistance line here previously yesterday, because we saw the lighter in the color, the spaces in between these two lines are closing in. So again, weakness when it comes to this current trend itself. Going into immediate short term for 4 hours, we're going to take a look too at essentially a medium bearish divergence that we've got here. We're taking a look at the spinning top peak that we have just yesterday, trying to escalate to the top of our 100% or 0% of our fib. We can see our K line is at 98% of our RSI. And if we take a look at the peak here of our previous 4-hour time frame, our K line was at 91%. However, it's definitely different here from what we observed from the price. So because it's escalating in price upwards and de-escalating in our RSI, it's essentially a medium type divergence, which is a bearish divergence. We can already see in this candlestick itself, price was trying to escalate to the top of the Bollinger Band. Again, considered to be overbought. Price is going to come back down. We can see the body itself too as well was seen mostly at the very bottom here too. So, inverted hammer stick that we've got, normally it's more effective if we see at the very bottom here, the wick is twice the size of the body itself, more of a reversal pattern if it's seen at the very bottom of the trend itself. But at least what we can take a look at is the analytics of this candlestick. Essentially, the bears were pushing the price as low as they can. That's why the candlestick body itself is at the low. If we look at the RSI currently in this 4-hour time frame, we can see that the K line is at 98 and then 84. So at any second here, possibly the next candlestick or the next candlestick itself is going to be a crossover, and then we're going to retrace down. If we do a new fib chart here, just essentially coming back down. So I'm just going to adjust this line at the very bottom here. We can see the next retracement level here is at 38%. We don't have a whole lot of candlesticks holding at this 38%. So it might actually retrace closer down to this level here at 21,391, depending on the current. We could see these two lines itself is really getting closer together. So again, price is going to drop. And if we take a look at how aggressive the drop occurs, especially with this candlestick, we can see this huge candlestick here slicing right through a lot of fib retracements. So it may actually stop right here as seen, as tested as multiple supports. Into a 3-hour time frame, we can see already it is closing in at our RSI at 100% and 96%, just waiting for that crossover. Again, the inverted hammer candlestick observed at the very top here, we did touch the previous candlestick here at the top of the Bollinger Band. So price is going to retrace back down, you guys. As observed, that we do see, again, weakness in the 4-hour time frame. We're seeing it in the 3-hour time frame as well. So price again is going to come back down. We still see multiple candlesticks retracing to this level of 38% or closer to 50% of our new fib at 21,418. So it's just a matter of time that the price is going to retrace downwards, so long as we're continuing to make a higher low compared to a lower high, sorry, compared to these other peaks, we are continuously going to retest this level and close above it. If we take a sneak peek into the 2-hour time frame, there's the inverted hammer, really shows the body at the very bottom. Same thing with this one. We are basically an exhaustion of this uptrend itself for Bitcoin and going to retrace downwards. So that is my quick video for Bitcoin, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.